rugged. What is it?
It's the heart of a raindrop.
I didn't know raindrops had hearts.
What you see is a speck of dust magnified 200 times. Every raindrop starts with water in a cloud condensing around a speck of dust. When a drop gets big enough and heavy enough, it starts to fall out of a cloud as rain.
Ah, excuse me, sir. Did you say rain?
Uh-huh.
Good. You may be just the one we need. Please follow me right away.
I've waited 6 weeks, and you haven't made a drop of rain come down. And for that, you shall go to the dungeon.
Wait, Your Highness. I'll make rain for you if you won't put him in the dungeon.
Well, what kind of wizard are you?
I am a scientist, not a wizard. I know something about rain. The wizard just guesses.
Very well. You may make rain for our kingdom. But you must be quick about it, or our crops and animals will all die.
Have your subjects dump 1,000 wagon loads of dust on the South Hill.
But we want rain, not a dust storm.
I seed the clouds with dust particles, then raindrops grow around them.
Very interesting, Cadwallader. Order all the wagons in Rue to be loaded with dust and taken to the South Hill without delay.
Yes, Your Highness.
How is this going to get the dust up into the clouds, Gumby?
I'll show you. First, I place this nozzle on the pile of dust. Now, this is my dust generator and disseminator. I just flip the switch and we're in business.
Those clouds are going to get awfully dirty.
As soon as we have scattered all this dust in the clouds, we'll go back to the castle and wait for the rain. Your Highness King Hot, the clouds are seated. Now we wait a short while for the raindrops to grow.
Oh, jolly good. Cadwallader, have a feast prepared to celebrate the coming of the rain. Oh, I can hardly wait. How much longer do we have to wait, my scientific friend?
Well, it should start raining any minute now.
Oh, goody. I want to be the first to feel those precious drops. Oh. Oh, marvelous, delightful little drops. You feel so good. Cadwallader, start the feast immediately.
But Your Majesty, are you hurt? Are you bleeding?
Me? Hurt? Bleeding? Oh, I know. It's red mud. It's raining red mud. Quick, stop it before we're ruined.
It's impossible to stop it, Your Highness.
Put our fake scientist into the dungeon.
I'm getting out of this book. Gumby can take care of himself, being a scientist and all.
Your Majesty, the palace and dungeons are full of mud.
Oh, what has become of my kingdom of Rue? Oh, mud, nothing but mud. I now rule the poorest, muddiest kingdom in the world.
Eureka! Your Highness, you have the
rich in mud, yes. But what good is mud except for mud pies?
Your Highness, this mud is very rich in iron. You can make all kinds of things of iron. Nails, hammers, plows, pots, kettles, wheels, knives, forks, spoons, and thousands of other things.
Jolly good. You are right. Cadwallader, get that feast ready!